You use Google every day to search for answers and solutions. But you probably didn't know that you can actually make money doing that. As you can see here, I recently made about $900 just by searching Google. And I will even show you today 5 different methods on how you can also make earnings just like this by searching Google. So the first platform that we have here is called microworkers.com. And here you can find different micro jobs that you can complete and make money. It only takes a few seconds to complete these jobs. They also accept people worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. So what you want to do first is you want to create an account. The registration process is very easy. Just hit register and then fill out this easy information here, like your name, your email, and stuff like that. Then click submit, and it will then take you to this page after you verify your email. So now just click here where it says jobs, and it will then show you the available jobs. As you can see here, we have around 1,700 jobs that are available right now. You have everything like completing surveys and searching different websites. And they also pay you to search Google. As you can see here, they don't pay a lot of money for these jobs. But don't worry, I will show you 5 different methods in this video. And I'm starting with the least paying methods, all the way to the highest paying methods. And I will also show you my method on how I made this amount. Most of the time, they're going to pay you 5 cents. But what you have to do is very easy. But there is also jobs that pay $2. $1, $2 again. You just have to keep scrolling down. You can also select from here what type of job that you want to do. For example, if I select this one where it says click search, then it will only show me jobs that are about clicks and search. The second way of how you can make money online by searching Google is you want to go to this platform that's called Circlix.com. This platform is also completely free and you don't have to have any experience to start making money. And basically what this platform does is they charge other companies and websites to help them rank their websites higher on Google. And your job here will be to go search Google for these website names and then click on them to help them rank higher on Google. So basically your job is to help websites rank higher, and that's how you will be making money here. So as you can see here, you get paid from 0.1 to 0.5 for every single website that you click on. By the way, make sure you watch until the end because the last method I will show you is where you can make most money. And what I like about the site is that it has a minimum payout of just $5, which is very easy to make. So you don't have to wait for days until you can withdraw your money. And once you reach $5, it will automatically be sent to your PayPal account. I know most of you guys have a PayPal account, but for those of you that don't, I highly recommend that you create a PayPal account first. And then you can start working on this website. No application required, which means you don't have to wait until you get accepted because you will be accepted automatically after you sign up. All you have to do is click here where it says join the network, and then you can fill out your own personal information here. The only downside of this website is that they require you to download Firefox browser. And you also have to download a Firefox extension, which I know not a lot of people like to do that. But don't worry, there is still going to be more methods. But before I show you the third method now, make sure you first like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So now method number 3 is where you can actually make more money because we are going to be selling through Google search. So pay attention with me because if you do it the way I show you, you're not just going to make hundreds of dollars, but thousands of dollars. So basically what you will have to do is go to Google and search for businesses. For example, you can search for something like gym in California or barber shop in London or coffee shop in Malaysia or something like that. You get the point. And then you want to go find the websites that are not ranked in top. So you want to scroll down and select the second page or third page. And now all these websites here are not ranked in first page. So they are losing a lot of customers and a lot of money. And our job now is to help them out rank higher in search. It could be any business. It doesn't matter which site. Just click their website and you will find their contact information there. Somewhere on the website, for example. Here we have the email right here. Then all you have to do is email them and offer them one of of the tools that can help them rank higher in search. One of these tools that can offer them is Mangals.com. As you can see, this tool helps website for ranking and it helps them with competition and stuff like that. And if you scroll down here, you will see that they have worked with the biggest companies in the world like Adidas and Airbnb. And now all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click here where it says affiliate program, and you can sign up with them to get your affiliate link. And as you can see here, you will get 30 lifetime commission when you refer someone. So as long as that business keeps on using Mangals to rank on Google, you're going to also keep making money. So if someone spends $1,000 on Mangals every month, you will also make $300 every month from just that one person. So try to reach out to as many businesses as you can. The more people you have, the more money you will make. Now we still have 2 more methods, and the last method I will show you is where I was able to generate these earnings. By the way, if you're still watching the video, let me know what country you're from in the comments. So method number 4 to make money online, search in Google, is to use Respondent.io. With Respondent.io, you can actually get paid up to $700 per hour, and the reason they pay that much is because they have here big companies like Microsoft and Dropbox that go to this website to help them with the research. But this particular method is not as easy as previous methods because this does require more work, as you will have to do here a lot of Google searches and get as many information as you can. But you also get paid really well. And if we click on participants right here, you can see exactly how much you can be making. So if you are a software developer, you can get paid about $200 per hour. If you are a marketer, you will be paid about $150 per hour. If you are a business owner, you will be paid $500 per hour, and so on. So now let's go to the final website on our list, which is my favorite one, because this is where I was able to personally make some good money. The name of this website is Minsumo.com, and pay attention now, because I will show you my own strategy. Let me first go to my earnings here to show you proof that this website is actually working. As you can see, I already have here about $500 ready to cash out, and I have already withdrawn about $1,400 from this website to my PayPal account. So this website is 100% real. Now let's go back to the homepage to show you how this actually works. It's actually very easy. As you can see here, it says delivering innovative ideas to the world's top brands. So basically, we have a lot of companies that go to this website to ask questions because they want some help from people like you and me to improve their company. So these are their questions. Most of them pay $1,600, and all you have to do is click on one of them and copy the questions, then paste it to Google and find some related answers, and then come back here to submit those answers. So make sure you create your account first. It's very easy, then start answering as many questions as you can. The more answers and articles you will submit, the more chance you have to make money. Now, all methods we talked about in this video require some kind of work. If you want to make good money without doing any hard work, then watch this video and take advantage of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.